Hi, today I'm for the new POCO X3 GT and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings application, then tap to Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should use the switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just tap on this network and here enter the password. Tap to icon to see the password, click to connect, and that's it. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel, find here Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, click on the switcher, hold it for a while to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.